You got mud on you?
It's on my leg.
Mm-hmm. Do that out in the yard, baby. You're drinking water off of the roof. Go do it out in the yard. Drink water from trees, not from roofs.
But trees don't make water.
They drip water.
If I told them, they'll make water.
Our yard is slowly but surely eating away the toys.
I can't reach them.
You catch them with your mouth. In all fairness,
I can't
I thought it was going to barely sprinkle and then be
reach
done.
them. I can't reach them with my mouth. And oil. Can't clean the oil off.
You mean the mud?
Mhm.
Go clean it off at your water table. Get the little pan right here.
The little pan. And
Yeah.
I put my leg in it.
I wouldn't suggest doing that. Okay. Mommy's getting chewed up by the skeeters. I'm going to go back inside, okay? Oh, wait. This is pretty good footage here. See, there you go. Behind your knee. The other side. Whoa. Well, that's not cleaning the mud off. Behind your knee. I think now you're just playing. There's still mud behind your knee. Oh, she's gonna fall. Oh, there goes the shirt. Now you gotta get your other leg. There you go. It's actually pretty warm out here. And she's been so cooped up lately that I just couldn't bring her inside. Had to let her have some muddy fun. She's been really good today. comparatively. All right, get your flip-flop on. Oh, you just got your hair in the water. Allie, come on. I want you to come here real quick. Put the pan down. Maybe you should wash your flip-flops off in there, huh? Oh, my toe got it. Hurry up, Bug. Mommy's getting chewed up. Come here. Baby, gotta bring the other flip-flop. Oh, she's my child. Used up all the bug spray on her. And she's probably now washed off. Come on. Come here. Don't step in the mud.
I'll go around the mud.
Yeah.
Over the mud. No puddle.
Did you have fun? Come here. Allie, seriously, stop trying to drink the water off the roof. It's yucky. Yucky water. You are stubborn, child. Let's go inside.
I don't want.
Here, look, splash in these puddles real quick.
What's this?
Oh, don't play with that.
Is that water?
It's Daddy's.
Whoa.